Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Mimi.
And this is...
Miles.
And it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a package from...
Malaysia.
Yep, this box is from Malaysia. This is from the folks over at MyKuali. They do all sorts of tasty stuff, and we're going to crack this open and check out some new things, so hold on. Alright, well let's see what we got in here. We've got, looks like an apron. Yeah, it fits, cool, thank you very much. And we've got a ton of noodles in here, so let's get to it. So first off, they've got two that they've reformulated that they really want me to try. First of those is, so this is their famous Penang white curry. I've loved this for years. The first batch they made I thought was the best. And it's gone like back and forth, and this is a new one, so we'll see. This is their Penang Tom Yum Goong. When I was in Malaysia visiting MyKuali in 2014, we went and took a short hop from Penang, Malaysia, to Langkawi, which is like a neat little resort island, and we went to this Thai restaurant there because Malaysia and Thailand they border with each other. They're very close, and especially Langkawi is like from there to Bangkok. That was probably like a 45-minute flight. Anyways, we went to a Thai restaurant and got tom yum there, and it was like this. The Malaysian tom yum is thicker, and this is just insanely good. So this is a reformulation now, so I'm very curious what that's going to do. Absolute favorite of mine. This is Penang Hokkien prawn. I love strong prawn flavor. Blows me away. Love it. Good stuff. Crackling, nice crisps. Fried onion going on top. Good stuff. Now this is their vegetarian Penang white curry. The last time I tried this, I was definitely not fond of it. But I'm definitely willing to give it another try. And yeah, we'll see. I'm hoping I like it. I like to like things. And this one is on this year's top 10 list. You'll know it right here. Top 10. Oh, and you'll probably also notice my Hello Kitty Band-Aid. I had an accident yesterday. Anyways, yeah, this is their fish broth noodle. This is the wheat noodle variety, and it's absolutely excellent. And I know I've had the bowl version of this rice vermicelli fish broth one, but I don't know that I've had the pack, so this might be a new review too. Well, cool. Thank you very much to the nice folks over at MyKuali for shooting these over. And hey, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
and this has been
Miles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.